right, hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com, it's Dyno Day. The car we have on the dyno today, this is Jared Farrell's red 2011 Mustang GT. Y'all may know Jared from several other dyno videos, but he also has another red 1112 Coyote car, and that's the Haas 302 that we've dynoed previously on the channel. We'll leave a link to it down below if you want to check that one out. But this happens to be an early build 2011 car, August of 2010, I believe. I just recently picked this up off of the good old Facebook Marketplace. Didn't pay a heck of a lot of money for it, and was looking to get into another Coyote HPDE car for his son that at the time of this video just turned 16. So kind of the way this one is, powertrain wise, relatively stock. We're working with a K&N, no tune required, cold air intake. Has a set of equal length Shorty headers. I don't think I've ever dynoed a Coyote car with equal length Shorty headers. I have dynoed a lot of cars, so I probably forgot if I did. But the car has an aftermarket, high flow, catted X-pipe, factory over axle pipes, and that's a GT500 muffler. It is an MT82 car, so our pool's gonna be made in 5th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Stock drive shaft. Out back, that's a 19-inch SVE MHP1 wheel that Jared painted with the LMR Argent Silver paint. And then he has a 285/35/19 tire. 93 octane fuel is in the tank, and to our knowledge, this does not have a calibration. It's still rocking the stock tune. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go. We're gonna make a hit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some results for Jared's 2011 GT. Car's strong. On the first hit, it made 399.3 horsepower at 6,700 RPM. And then for torque, it was 380.6 pound-feet at 4,400 RPM. We did do 2 hits. Much mimicked the first hit, give or take the small variances between the runs. So run 2, the car made 396.9 horsepower at 6,700 RPM, and then 381 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. So pretty strong. We were kind of throwing some numbers out, just guessing, you know, kind of playing around with the car, what we thought it would make before the dyno, and a lot of us were saying around the 390, 400 mark. The car is definitely making that. So kind of right on cue for where it needs to be. Another car for Jared, gonna work his son into some HPDE stuff in it. Definitely a lot of car for a 16-year-old, but you know, what better way to get out there and be able to understand the power that some of these cars have, you know, than doing it on a, you know, closed course at a designated road course track. So we're gonna sign off. If y'all find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and then till we see the next one, for all things S197 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.